Alright, what is going on, guys? So today we're going to be dropping this motor in, but I got a couple little errands to do. Yesterday off camera I went ahead and did all the coolant lines, the oil feed lines, everything's ready for the other oil filter housing. I went ahead and did, so on the 7-bolt block there's actually a fitting into the block itself for the return coolant. 6-bolt doesn't have that, so I had to tee it in. Now this is just temporary until I get a turbo that's not water cooled, but you know, it's not the prettiest, but it'll do. All the lines are hooked up, everything's done. I got the new, didn't finish tightening this down, but I got all the new injector seals, everything's done with that, so it's all good to go. Gonna have these turned down so the plugs are at the bottom. So once that's done, we gotta go to the bank. I gotta run to the mailbox, get the oil filter housing. The clutch and flywheel came in today. I think that's it. Unfortunately, I did not, I don't know why, I totally forgot to buy flywheel bolts. Alright, there's a bee in there trying to make a home. Alright, yeah, get out of there. I totally forgot to buy flywheel bolts. I forgot to buy a brand new throwout bearing and the pressure plate, or the bolts that go from the clutch, the pressure plate to the flywheel. Because I bought this clutch secondhand off Rob Fig, who's over in Pennsylvania. He has a DSM shop there, so I trust him. But I got a good deal on that. So let's go ahead and get started so we get back. I'm gonna also go to the store, get oil, coolant, and yeah, see you guys in a little bit. All right, so got the oil filter housing in, the gaskets, got my new drain, so this one will bolt up to the bottom of the turbo, and still have the same bolt pattern into the oil pan. So doggo, gonna go ahead and hook the stuff up. I'm not gonna record it, it's pretty boring to watch, so see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so like a dumbass, I forgot there's a bolt up here that we need to take out, so I had to take all this off again. Oh well. So I cleaned up the gasket surface. It took forever to do. Just used some 3M Scotch-Brite. And you got this one. Clean up this a little bit, and then we'll put it on. Alright guys, so what seemed like forever, I finally have this turbo feed, everything hooked up. I gotta go get a 24mm socket, torque this down. So what caught, this bolt right here has an Allen head, like the plug, just like this one, and it's stripped and it's super tight in there. So I drilled it out. I couldn't believe that I didn't mess up the threads, and it's able to go in there nice and tight. So I'm gonna run over and get the correct thing, come back, torque that down, put the oil filter on, put this thing in the car, and it's getting there. It's about that time. I'm gonna take the, yes it is. Gonna take that hood off and then yes, put this in. Long time coming. guys, so motor's in. Still quite a bit to do, but that's a big step completed. Gonna have to change these to black eventually. But yeah, new radiator hose. Gotta take the blue tape off this. Looks pretty good. So we just have the one motor mount in, obviously, and then you got a jack underneath with a piece of wood underneath the oil pan. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hope I wasn't covering the mic the whole time. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Next video should be me putting all the wires and shit together, and that's about it. Peace out.